So here's how you can create a spatial wallpaper on your iPhone, and let's get started. So at first, you need to make sure your iPhone is running the iOS 26. So you can open up the main section of the settings, then tap on General and Software Update to see that you have the iOS 26. But once you do, just stay within the Settings app and go to the Wallpaper section right there. You can start a brand new one, right like this, and pick a photo for the lock screen, right? So it should ideally be something which contains some people, right? It depends on what exactly you want to do. But essentially, if you have some person selected or something that could work, right, you can tap on the little button next to it, which is, you can see like a image in this like folder or like icon, whatever you want to call it. You just tap there and it will try to create the spatial photo, which means that you will then be able to move your phone around and it will create this nice looking 3D effect. So it's not really anything groundbreaking, but it most definitely adds a nice layer of feature or customizability. So it works well, if you ask me, but only for certain photos. It doesn't work with, capturing something like a, landscape or something. It has to have a clear subject. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.